This is 2 handfuls and so good. Mm, mm, Welcome to Queen's Alchemy. Today we're making a burrito, but not just any burrito. This is a raw vegan burrito packed with vibrant flavors and fresh, wholesome ingredients. Looking for a fresh, nutrient-packed meal that's as vibrant as it is delicious? This raw vegan burrito is about to change the game. The kitchen tools used in this video, like cutting tools, prep gadgets, and cookware, are listed in the description below. As an Amazon affiliate, I earn from qualifying purchases. First, let's prep our ingredients. We're thinly slicing red and yellow peppers. Then we're going to slice our red onions nice and thin. Next, we're shaving zucchini and cucumbers for that delicate crunch. Cherry tomatoes, chopped. And for that rich and creamy texture, smashing up some avocados. Now let's talk sauce. Here are the ingredients we'll use to make the sauce. Into the blender goes shaved butternut squash for the creamy base, followed by the fresh green onion, and we're adding hemp seeds for extra nutrition and adding sun-dried tomatoes for depth. We're adding the juice of 1 lime for bright and a zesty kick, a sprinkle of garlic powder, and a sprinkle of basil for flavor. And with this, just enough water to drizzle for the perfect blend. Now we're ready to blend, putting it all together until it's smooth. All right, and there it is as it's blending up. Our vibrant, nutrient-packed sauce, ready to take this burrito to the next level. Set it aside and let's start assembling. We're starting with 2 large collard green leaves, nature's perfect wrap. First, trim the thick stem at the base to make it easier for rolling. Now spread on a generous layer of roasted garlic hummus. This is where the creaminess begins. Next up is our smashed avocado, smooth, rich, and packed with flavor. And then we're going to lay over evenly the shaved zucchini for that fresh crunch, including the cucumbers, the red peppers, and the yellow peppers, red onion, the cherry tomatoes go in to add that juicy pop. Sprinkle the fresh cilantro. Then we're going to drizzle that velvety sauce over the top. Yes, it's looking good. Now it's time to roll. Tuck and roll tightly, just like the classic burrito. Slice it in half. There you have it. Raw vegan burrito. It's crunchy, creamy, and bursting with bold and natural flavors. Ready to take a bite. Vegan raw burrito. Bear with me, it's gonna be a handful, but I'm sure it's gonna taste delicious. I can't wait. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. This tastes really good, but it's a handful. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching. It's so good. Mm, mm, mm. Mm.